the canopy. We're on the canopy.
We are in the canopy. We are afraid. We are afraid.
We are trying to be courageous.
Do not move to one hit.
Very courageous, but deep down. So another day, another excursion. We are currently at the Nyungwe National Park. It's very close to Congo. Actually, this road goes to Congo, so the border is called Rusizi, and they share the same forest, the Nyungwe National Park. It's shared between DRC and Congo. Yeah. So currently we are at the Nyungwe National Park, about to enter. Walk for about 1.5 hours, then do the canopy, then again back 1.5 hours. Yeah, so let's see what is there in the canopy.
You can take the stick.
At least there's a stick. I think we will need it.
Only one for everyone. No.
We now start the hike downstream to the canopy. We are ready.
No, we are not. That we are all talking about.
Distance 2.1 kilometers round trip. Goes to the Burundi side, this whole park. The white tower down there. Actually, on top of the tree there's a white tower. There's a white tower somewhere there. I don't know if it's visible even. That's where we are going. Somewhere pale, katikati pale. You can see even the canopy thing. That's where we are going. So that's where we are going. Down there. But it's about 1 kilometer. Because round trip is 2.1 kilometers. So 1 down, 1 up. He is finally here. So close. So that's the canopy. We're finally here. We're supposed to cross it. We are crossing round. The canopy is there. We are crossing that one. So from here, that way, and that way. All there.
Hi guys. Welcome to
the canopy. We are on the canopy.
We are in the canopy. We are afraid. We are afraid. We are afraid.
We are trying to be courageous.
Do not push to one hit.
Very courageous, but deep down. The end of the 116 meters. Whew. Was it worth it? Definitely. Was it scary? Definitely. But we conquered it. Yeah, so finally 116 done meters. There are three of them, so each of them, this is the shortest, then the middle one is the longest, and the first one is just hapo katikati, you're just thereabout. Yeah, so let's head out for lunch before we finish the Nyungwe Canopy walk. definitely I enjoyed it in as much as it was scary, but the views up there breathtaking. Yeah, I don't know if it can be seen from the back, but breathtaking. You definitely have to come here even if you're afraid, but it's worth it, especially if you're in a group. Everyone gives you the motivation to keep on going, so definitely worth it. So let's go for lunch, then see what next. We're finally done with the canopy walk. Something to note is over here it actually rains a lot. Luckily it just rained a bit when we were starting and a bit when we were coming back up, so that was the advantage. So whenever you come here, make sure you have an umbrella or a raincoat, but I would recommend a raincoat. I currently have an umbrella, but I think the best would have been a raincoat, because if you're hiking it's easier when you're just using a raincoat, because an umbrella now is adding a lot more effort on your hike. Yeah, so that's it. The food was very delicious, good quantities I would say. Yeah, so for now we'll go back to the next destination where we'll be sleeping over. Before now we do like Lake Kivu tomorrow. Feels like the Kericho full of tea plantations. Hotel, Home St. Jean. Yeah, that's the hotel. So this is how it looks like. We have the 2 beds. Those are our suitcases. We're doing per person sharing as all the rest of the rooms. We have the TV here, the cabinet. Then it's at night, so I'll show you the view of the ocean. Sorry, not the ocean, the lake in the morning, but it's a very good view. Then the 2 beds, then this is a study table or a working table, and the bathroom. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. Then that's soap, the shower head, and then the toilet and your towels. So that's it for this room.